Onona oye the Ketokreku of France. Hodi a French for the headquarters of the French Football Federation. Na ensem for kopie ho a asembe nti na wafre a wo se onim se secret bi a omantimi enkipi ni ye de. But even though asem no wa bonten no, they will still at a point in time have to make it official. Enti ene o to nenum tuo aka kire ewiase nyina including France for say after the World Cup US Mexico ne Canada no Didier Deschamps Edini Jumedia obedi as the coach of the French national team abanewie, and that's Ora Zinedine Zidane in the next 4 years per contract on your sign is taking over as the head coach of the French senior men's national team. Now, Zidane's story, no, it is a Jurgen Klopp the NB. Coach all his life was coaching club side. Now, at a point in his career, he realized that baby, I would do there's only one job, and I open. Nikrum a senior men's national team job no. Enti time at club if Liverpool, there were a lot of proposals. Barcelona, Real Madrid, clubs in Germany, clubs in Italy, a lot of clubs. I say onye dwumadi no mu bia na ne concentration nyina to be the director of football for Red Bull for no, not knowing na wakache omo oben omo se me kwa kogina tana wa kochi bi mu a agise German national team no na ebetimi ama matekisa decision no. It is same with referee Zinedine Zidane. After the last stint with Real Madrid, there have been a lot of clubs. Chelsea kahun, Marseille kahun. At a point in time, rumor to Liverpool, rumor to a lot of clubs. And new rumor, there were clubs that approached Zizou. Say Ombrano me coach your team no, including even clubs in Saudi Arabia. Zizou David. You may be anywhere do me come this time. Me kwa kotina chiri. Mini Didier Deschamps the ball French national team no. Minimisa wa boy juma pa wa French national team no. But menye ntie say okwo World Cup in 2026 we are Jumedian on to us him. That is the job that I want. Entiene obi a follow Zizou in the press conference in bia ne first words and say Ejuma way was Ejuma na ope and Ejuma fufu bien wa na why na adwen say obeye than this job ya wa be somewhere nay. Now me were far away from France, but what are my initial thoughts on Saudi way? A dear Kwana Zizou at the bar on board to the French national team. On the backroom staff. There's a story with Fabien Barthez. Zizou knew he was going to be given the job. And not all pay a certain representation from the players or no Messia kinda to be part of his backroom staff. And me also some Mumuti sports are familiar with this story. When Fabien Barthez didn't meet the criteria to become the goalkeeper's trainer for the senior national team, because there were some coaching certificates here not on here. Zidane has to sponsor him to go and do it. Senebeya and Ney or two dear Barthez will be fit for the job no person the man as part of the backroom staff. again, a lesson I be bit me. Sometimes people just shout. And a Jumadian no for old players in brown board, no more bois, or no more boni bida. You need to meet a certain requirements. And Ula Fabian Mateza, go out that for the French national team. They didn't just consider him as a legend in T or Mitio or Majin Koye. They had to sponsor his coaching education. Say they will do the standard now. And you're required to be part of the backroom staff of the senior national team. Now, and Kofu Bebre, our misconception be say Zizou is not too tactical.
Yeah, a man was a lucky coach.
You see, it is never true. And you know, credit. It is never true. Sebi. The fundamental of every coaching is to get the best out of your team. And to say Zidane et me by club is a Real Madrid. Any Ancelotti be Juma. Then Onya Konya to be his own man our Real Madrid. Now Otimi the Madrid edge back-to-back Champions League. You can never tell me say Otosini will coach him. I will be BM Dabi. Sebi. Omo Kasano. Minya so say they are trying to create the impression say Omunimbo Muchi Zizou. You can't know football than Zizou. We are talking about one of the greatest players to have played in the engine room of the game. Sebi. Time na Zizou that oboboro. Na bibi chese onto football ase. So when ne mefod na no obono. Time of releasing the passes, the technique, the football intelligence, the way or till agronacy for him to play the way he played with the elegance and the finesse no boy now. There is no way you can tell me say Zizou bobo now boy no, but until football I say. A lot of players bobo nu they define their own path out of football. Zizou Gina Park no so bobo nu no. Owie no say the way I see ball as here, I want to take a passion in coaching. Ako school, ako coaching, aka they were practicing on football pitch. This one, you know, any opportunity, uncle club kitu be say Real Madrid.
The treble.
Where there is pressure to win Champions League back to back, you still doubt Sani Pakone say, Oto Sini will coach you. Then I don't know where you are getting that mindset from. Anye biano say open one of the most meticulous federation it's the French, because a elite football nation, elite. Say okay, say all the records back onto the table. Rich in the last decade, chairman national team more than more maybe the French team no. And you think that South Federation, you know, will give a job of that national team, no, to be our own Muana. No. Look, me should say, Didier Deschamps, as the captain of the 1998 team, and the French team, Nababaye as the manager, and he is the absolute legend of the French national team. May a sure say a lot of French would wish they did the Champs about achieving, and the way are amortizing itself. The legacy of the French national team, no, they wish it was Zizou. Now it is Zizou's time. But Rich, no matter how successful as Zizou at your club level, no, sir, shoe na Didier Deschamps the agent so on fan na mission no. So, enye shoe ketwa. Enye easy. Win the World Cup in 2018. The following 4 years, come to the finals of the World Cup. Then come to the semi-finals of the next World Cup. Enya adwuma ketwa. A big shoes pa. But unim de bebo Zizou. Didier Deschamps and the French football culture. And the way had given him a very, very young team with a lot of prospects. That is one thing you love about the French team. Rich, so much team no tumpoa. The more friend reserve side, is good enough to compete on the world stage. And it's over the ages of the players now. Bibian we Abeka say Zizou inherited a very, very good young team. Obetimi building on it. But a to be a football common and follow logic. You may think you have inherited a very, very good young team. But Rich, and no betimi a Diego from nowhere. And Zizou needs to work. And so the medical cano shoes na did the same as no. Rich and your shoes will be a see a measure. There is no room for error. And then Zizou the first game of the France will be against Italy. Imagine he goes to his first major tournament. Rich now will lose semi-final. Because that is where France they say Omuduru with ease. And that is the measurement now. One new hope asamato. Mekai, I was young, but I watched France 98 pa. It was probably my first World Cup. Me share with full understanding of football. Na Zizou in the final against Brazil. You took no ahead. You took no ahead. Just like France Koji and Sia World Cup. Na almost celebration, and you mean now was about N'Golo Kanté. It was the same with Zizou in 98. Baby Albert Fabiano. Even though a team the winning World Cup, everywhere in the corner of France had Merci Zizou. It's as if say he was the one man that won them the World Cup. And it is one video snippy or keeper. Timer and pay or sifting the camera all by headquarters. It is like a match made in heaven. Everybody loves Zizou. And now he turned to lead the national team. I'm only praying, say, and no one be amano. Okay. Because sometimes, Rich, story any boy add the too much. Sure. And go for a penal, but with Zizou, Ebiana, etimi afa ede amount.
Maradona bomb Argentina.
Yeah.
The Argentina national team man.
But you see, Maradona dear, Rich.
Troca.
No can say not only Bibia to suggest he was a good coach. Zizou at least has done something with
Real Madrid. Back to back.
And the story of Maradona and Zizou, then that is where the difference is.
Okay.
Zizou has shown the credentials. Now, 10 minutes ago, and a marker a true story say a no cre say yan diomande Madrid really operations or be any medicals or passing or presenting we are. Madrid is going for Rodri. And that player be say Enzo Fernandez. Players be say Fernandez no Obama West Ham no. We're all on the short list of Real Madrid midfielders or media be argumentiomo. But Jose Mourinho insisted say Oman a list of midfielders. Na so Rodri wo he will not choose anybody over him. Enti omonko fanemra. Eye Jose no se opes abrantian. According to Massaro, Jose any the Real Madrid technical directorate I conclude say okay we na coach so opes and that's ometima ye ho adwuma yenko presented to the president of the club Florentino Perez who does ya no opeje obi no say president say who ye Yana. Jose say the last one must be Rodri. No, say okay, say Rodri na mopa. Me so a player be a miji to say onimbo anebo. So we will work around it. Now, say who ready master story. Na a Real Madrid, expect them to be biased. And until at a certain portions of the article, no, so what is Omoka say, oh, Madrid help Rodri, and that's a better operation a bit me bam because Man City cry no omunyo mbeto delete sa portion if you wadwene mu. And only almost trying to have their biases in the story. But in some market, Rich, just as you were having a conversation with Joshua, no, there are some portions that makes a lot of sense. And that person, no, and they say, I can't wait 1 year. Now, Real Madrid for calculations, no. So we could have 50 to 60 million. They should get Rodri from Manchester City. So it means that is the money they are ready to give to City. Now, assuming say Rich, Rodri and sign a contract extension. Man City team here away. Are they ready to lose Rodri for free next year?
No.
Abe nei ometimi aje at least 60 million euros. Nobody a couple before 4. And nobody a TV a lot Anderson classic and motono. Nobody a take Subiana. It will make no business sense. For Abrantia Wabe sumo over the years. And City cry any sad track record no. So omo transfer much time. That is the reason why Bernardo Silva so come say okay. Gundogan so come say okay. Kevin De Bruyne so come say okay. David Silva time so okay. Me a sure say Empire no mo building you know. Probably the only person or castle person they had to convince him to overstay probably will be Pep. And it is because he was the coach. But bad players in Nkwadia, Rich, Man City is not known to say omode bibi akwensidia 2 players. Akwen say say what's so now they will allow you to move on, especially when they can at least squeeze some euros out of you before you become available to go for free. That is where Real Madrid are banging their hopes, you know. Say Abrante was some conform. Why you do bet me be the amount? And I can't 1 year pay. So met me in your 60 from 1 hour when you more dear moment. So met me saying 60 million if you would do Rich. And your football business at City Ayaboka. Already cast somebody Elliot Anderson about this season.
Yeah.
Tijani Renders bar last season on shutdown finding the feet. They believe I was say a bimu free team. Now responsibility ni be kese for players be say Tijani Renders want to know say now a yesem rain you know munyisi omo na so mo. Say what did that so in the shadows are? Yes, you have a very very good player. But Rich, who ma obia in the last 2-3 seasons, City aton so on baby as a mefud and ain't me explode. Na medema no si no Rich. Me I think Oko Steve Zando cry Facebook as on the Jose Mourinho disciple. Me be so your boy Andy Costa ni Facebook. People posting about the new Real Madrid team Florentino Perez kakra. I will make some few changes for that team there.
Okay.
Because Rich me jiri say on a woman say Antonio Rudiger is a typical Jose Mourinho type. But I am ready. It's even in the defensive panel. Say Obia be a fitter. Near the form pa. Rich, I believe at a point in time it will be Ibrahim Konate and Eda Militao. And imagine Thibaut Courtois, Rich. Ibrahim Konate, Eda Militao. For Dumfries, able to forget about Trent. This is Jose. This is Jose team near building. And you're jogging club. And you're Pep.
Pahwadin.
Amasa. Open moment me a kwaba bepin pem kofo. And Dumfries 2 ni e kan Jose Mourinho Dumfries 2 Makukuera 3 Rich. Imagine a midfield of Rodri Cascante, Federico Valverde, and Jude Bellingham. Then Yan Diomande, Kylian Mbappe, Vinicius Jr. That will be some scary team coached by Jose Mourinho at Real Madrid.
Okay,
that is how Real Madrid are building themselves to come back.
Right.
Whether Oyem Shishu or Oyem Shishu, that is the team they are presenting. I'm not afraid of that team because Hansi Flick are trying over and over again. He say, "Oh no, we're building a solid team team no any individual players." But Rich, anywhere you see it, that Real Madrid team should scare people. Say, Anya require say Barcelona crana Madrid team from FIFA more muswa. They push Barcelona aside in the competition domestically. Madrid takes this team to Europe, and you know, say they are going after the Champions League again.
Okay. Yabafia 11:26 insurance 4.5.